I will make a note in the assumption. So we'll take a credit here. SIL team has discussed the response time of the operator in case of TH will be more than 10 minutes for operator to respond. Does it make sense to discuss that response time is more than 10 minutes? Okay, it's more than 10 minutes to report. Okay, so in this case,
Mr. Chairman, again, this response time has to be defined. It is not more than 10 minutes. That nobody knows between high and high what is the response time.
Okay.
From normal to high, we know that it is 25 minutes. So most likely it will be response time will be 10 minutes, but somewhere it has to be documented and proved.
Okay, maybe alarm rationalization. Alajuddin, do you have alarm rationalization workshop?
Yes, we should have.
You should have.
We will have.
You may discuss response time of router should be indicate should be. I mean should be more than 10 minutes and same should be defined during alarm.
No, Mr. Chairman, nothing is being defined under, as I see during alarm. Values are there, then alarm values they are defined. So here itself, when we are closing this point, so they can write somewhere in order to close this that as per transient analysis, the time is more than 10 minutes. You will be able to define?
Yes, we will be able to define the duration from the normal to high and from the high to high.
So high to high, they will define in the document.
Okay. So now, Roman, this is okay, right now? Should be defined appropriately.
And documented.
And so I think this will be action or this is a remark. I didn't put a recommendation, right?
लेकिन ये अच्छा है कि आप पूछ रहे हैं, मतलब है शक कुछ ऐसी होता है कभी कभी करेक्ट नहीं इतनी जल्दी
So what do you want me to do? You want me to take action or okay. So guys, if you see here, BPCS alarm with human response, I'm taking one for this case. And as Roman has agreed and we have decided that this has to be defined and recorded somewhere in the documents. That's okay. But only one point I am putting in the remark section. I'm not putting in the recommendation. I'm worried if this point will be lost. What is your opinion? Shall I put in the recommendation?